In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fully responsive designs in Figma. Responsive design is an essential skill for modern web and app design, ensuring that your layouts look great on any device. Let's dive in and explore the steps to achieve this using Figma. First things first, head over to Figma's website. Figma is a superb collaborative interface design tool that allows designers to work simultaneously in one file. If you're not already familiar, now's the perfect time to explore its vast capabilities. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. Whether you're designing solo or in a team, this is your gateway into the powerful world of Figma. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where you'll see all your recent design projects, making it easier for you to access and manage them. But let's get focused. We need to move into the design section next. Simply click on the design option in the navigation area. This is where all the magic happens, and you can start fine-tuning your projects to be fully responsive. Now here comes the part where we get into the specifics of responsive design. The next feature you need is called Action. Clicking on Action will open up more functionalities you can use to manipulate your design elements. Remember, it's about ensuring that all your designs can adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes. To achieve this, we need to incorporate breakpoints effectively. So let's search for the breakpoints option in Figma. Breakpoints in responsive design are akin to thresholds on which elements on a web page adjust to provide an optimal viewing experience. This search will navigate you directly to the functionality where you can configure these settings. After you've found the Breakpoints tab, click on it. This section allows you to specify at what points your design needs to adapt to ensure user interface elements look perfect on all devices. Experiment with different breakpoints to see how your design shifts and adjusts. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Find and click the Run option to see your responsive design in action. This magic button simulates how your design will look and behave across various devices, giving you the chance to tweak and perfect the layout according to your standards. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Figma project to be fully responsive. Remember, responsiveness is crucial for user satisfaction, improving accessibility, and ensuring your design's adaptability across different devices. It's pretty amazing what you can create with the tools Figma offers. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.